This video is about replacing the 2011 to 2019 Volvo S60 center console water cup holder panel cover trim sliding black roller blind, which I bought from eBay at $25 excluding shipping, took about 2 weeks delivery. You can also get it from AliExpress or Amazon. Please check that the parts you order are the same as your damaged parts. I'm using 2011 to 2019 Volvo S60 parts. Other Volvo models may use different parts. This is the top view of the roller blind. And this is the bottom view of the roller blind. My roller blind was worn off and damaged after 6 years of used. Tools needed. Small plastic pry bar to remove aircon blower vent outlet. T25 torque screw driver. I used a long 18 cm screw driver and also 2 ratchet wrench with a T25 torque screw bit. Of course, would be faster if you have a power drill. There are a total of 12 pieces of T25 torque screws to be removed. The 8 T25 torque screws are found under the front console trim. And 4 T25 torque screws are located at the bottom in the rear USB box. Firstly, remove 4 screws at the bottom in the USB box. Use the pry tools to pry open the aircon outlet vent duct. Then 6 screws behind the aircon duct. 4 at the top row and 2 long screws at the bottom row. There is no need to remove 2 T25 screws behind the center console, as stated in some other videos. Gently remove the chrome trim. After removing the chrome trim, there are 2 screws hidden at the base of the chrome trim. Lift the cup holder case gently, about 4 centimeters, then slide out the damaged roller blind. Clean and wipe the assembly using wet microfiber cloth. Slide in the new roller blind. There are 2 stubs, so have to lift it up a bit to fully insert the roller blind. Check that the roller blind can smoothly travel. If not, check for obstruction. Maybe there are broken pieces in the guide slots. If new roller blind are fitted nicely, then place back the cup holder assembly into place and tighten the screws. Starting with the USB box screws, then the trim base screws. At first loosely screw them in, align the cup holder box. If properly aligned, then fasten them. Mount back the central console chrome trim, then the aircon blower screws. Fasten the 4 T25 torque screws and also the 2 long T25 screws at the bottom of the aircon blower vent. Mount back the aircon blower cover. That's finished the replacement of the roller blind cover. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck.